Hi natural hair lovers, today I bring you yet again an amazing recipe on Ivy's Naturals. I'll be showing you how to make a herbal shampoo that will not just cleanse your hair but also nourish, detox and revive your hair. Sounds great, right? First, I would like to take you through the ingredients we'll be needing for this herbal shampoo. Here is Shikakai powder. It's a natural cleanser that is rich in saponins, which helps to remove dirt and excess oil without stripping the scalp of its natural moisture. Next is Amla Powder. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles and reduce hair fall. Also, it promotes hair growth. The next one is aloe vera and neem leaf. We all know that aloe vera has an anti-inflammatory properties as well as neem leaf, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties. When I told you this herbal shampoo is power packed, believe me when I say so. Let's go into the next ingredient we have on this recipe. It's flaxseed. This right here is packed with omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin E. Flaxseed strengthens hair strands, it reduces breakage and also split end. It retains moisture as well. The next ingredient is our black soap. Just like the Shikakai powder, it also contains saponins that help to cleanse the hair and scalp without stripping it of its natural moisture. It is also good for sensitive scalp. And lastly, we have the soap nuts. Soap nut is also called reetha. It contains natural saponins that create a mild lather, gently cleansing the scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils. As you can see, they all work together without stripping off the scalp's natural oil. The preparation of this shampoo is very simple. First, you want to mix the ingredients together. You soak with hot water and then you're allowed to steep for like 5 hours or overnight just to make it steep longer. You go ahead to boil for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. By doing this, it helps the ingredients to release more of its nutrients into this shampoo mixture. To all our returning subscribers, I welcome you. If you're new on this channel, do well to subscribe. Click on the notification button so you get to receive all of our new videos firsthand on the day of its release. Here is how it looks the next day. Note that you're not seeing the aloe vera or the neem leaves inside this. The reason is that at the point of editing this video, I found that I lost this main part of the video, and what I did was just simply start all over, but this time all I used was aloe vera powder and neem leaf powder. If you haven't seen the videos I posted on that, do well to watch it. I will also be posting the links to the videos in the description. Do not forget to check it out. So now that our soap nut has softened, I'm gently squeezing them to remove the seeds and also to extract the natural foaming goodness. This is where the magic happens. Please make sure you strain very well. You can see that I am straining again using this filter even after I have used a cheesecloth. That is because I do not want any particles of this shampoo to be left on my daughter's hair. Here I added essential oils, and this is neem essential oil. I also added mint essential oil. Please, if you do not have all of these, do well to use a regular oil, either coconut oil. The last oil I added was the DIY melon seed oil. That video I also have. Go ahead to watch it. It is very beneficial to your hair. In this video, I will also show you where I use this shampoo to wash my daughter's hair. You're going to see how well it lathers and cleanses the hair. Now that the shampoo is ready, I'm making sure her hair is fully soaked before applying it. Low porosity hair doesn't absorb water easily, so saturating it helps the shampoo to spread evenly and cleanse properly. Now I am working the herbal shampoo through her scalp and strands, letting those natural ingredients do their job without stripping moisture. I know you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share. Leave a comment if you'll be trying out this recipe. And just like that, her hair is clean, refreshed, and nourished without any harsh chemicals. This shampoo is perfect for both low and high porosity hair. It removes buildup. Her curls are soft, her scalp feels fresh, and her hair is ready to thrive.